Welcome back to the Refoundry tutorial series. In this video, we'll use nested layouts and responsive controls to create different layouts for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Here I have the same layout from the previous video. Let's switch to tablet view. For tablet, I want the image on top and the cards below it. I can stack the columns by adjusting their width. But once the cards stretch to full width, they'll look too wide. Instead, I want the cards to appear side by side in a row, forming a multi-column layout on the tablet. So I need more structure than I currently have. Back in desktop view, I'll delete the extra containers and just work with one. Inside the right column, I'll add a new container, then a row and a column. Then I'll move this container inside this column. Now, instead of duplicating the container, I'll duplicate the column so that I have better control in tablet view. Back in tablet view, I'll set the column width to 3 so that the 4 columns can sit side by side. I also want to stack the image above the text, so I'll set the width of the text column to 12, which pushes it below the image. I can also adjust the image column width to control its size. I'll also add some padding on the left, and then I can duplicate the column. Now let's switch to mobile view. For mobile, I want the cards stacked vertically again. To do that, I can simply set each column to 12 units. The image alignment looks a bit off, so I can adjust the image column width to fix that. And then I can duplicate it more times as needed. Now we have 3 different layouts across desktop, tablet, and mobile, all controlled through nested structures. By adding structure first, you gain full control over how your design adapts across devices.